Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your YouTube homepage blank. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways what we can try. So the first way is to basically come over to youtube.com. Now if you're inside your account, go ahead and click on sign out. Now that's going to sign you out. I'm going to click continue here, and now your homepage is going to be blank. Now, the next way we can do it is by signing into our account. And now from here, I'm just going to sign in quickly. Now, as you can see, I've got stuff on my homepage. So what we need to do here is come on over and clear our history. So click onto your name, click onto your Google account. Now on the left-hand side, we want to go ahead and find data and privacy. To the right, go ahead and click on my activity. Now, because you got your saved history, that's what's going to be populating your YouTube home feed. So you've got them all enabled. So what we want to do is click on the delete button and then click onto always. And then I want to go ahead and delete. Just going to select YouTube, click next. And now I want to go ahead and click on delete. And click on got it. Now, if we come back to YouTube, do a refresh, it's going to say here to try searching to get started. So that's, you've deleted your history. You might be able to do it here as well, where it says you click on the history, and then you can also click on clear all watch history, and that should work too. Let me know in the comments below if that worked as well.